Today we are going to give this Ford Bronco a system upgrade. We are going to be installing the 12-inch swing gate mounted box from Bass-Maxx. Designed specifically to fit the tailgate of the new Ford Bronco, the entire subwoofer box is protected by roadkill armor coating, so it's capable of withstanding the most extreme conditions. Let's begin by getting the box ready to mount to the tailgate by adding the two rear lower hanger supports using the supplied Phillips screws that come in the kit. Once that is complete, we can install the terminal cup into place and use the 4 Phillips screws to secure it into its place. Swing open the tailgate and remove the top plastic panel. A plastic panel tool may help with this process if needed. Next, carefully pick up the box and slide the rear lower hangers into the 2 lower slots on the tailgate. Once in position, make sure the box is level. Using a marker, mark the locations of the holes onto the tailgate, remove the box, and make sure the marks are visible. Using a center punch or an auto punch, mark the locations on where the drill will go. Using a 1/8 drill bit, carefully drill out all 4 pilot holes. Then we move up to a 5/16 drill bit to drill out the 4 locations. Using the hand rivet nut setter tool, thread a 5/16 insert onto the tool. Make sure it's fully seated and flat against the panel surface while tightening. Do this to the 3 remaining holes. Remove the tape from the factory ends of the wire loom. Run a suitable length of speaker wire into the factory wire loom of the swing gate. You should run enough wire to reach the desired amp that will be used. Next, we can remount our box to the swing gate and connect our wire to the back of the terminal cup. Loosely install the included hardware into the 4 mounting holes from inside the enclosure. Once all 4 bolts have been started, we can use a wrench to secure the box to the swing gate for its final installation. Now it's time to connect the speaker of your choice using the wires from the inside the terminal cup. Connect to the speaker and make sure polarity is correct. Align the speaker and make sure it's nice and level. Install the mounting hardware, securing the speaker to the enclosure. This completes your installation of the swing gate mounted subwoofer enclosure from Bass-Maxx. Now all you have to do is connect your subwoofer wiring to your amplifier and enjoy. We hope you found this video helpful. Check out Bass-Maxx for more information on products. Thanks for watching.